So let's begin up here with the eye. So eyes. There's a herb called eyebright, and eyebright can be used for all eye problems. It doesn't matter what the problem is.
Did you know, according to the International Agency for the Prevention of Blindness, there are 1.1 billion people globally with vision loss. Of these, 108 million cases are caused by cataracts or glaucoma alone. And if that's not alarming enough, projections indicate that without major investment in eye care, vision loss will impact 1.7 billion people by 2050. But here's the good news. You can fix the cataracts and glaucoma in just 2 weeks by applying these simple, effective herbal mixes and remedies based on the insights of Dr. Barbara O'Neill. It's easier than you think. If you are ready to uncover these eye-healing secrets, type "I'm ready" in the comments below. Done that? Great. Let's dive in and get your eyes back on track.
So there is an eye wash that is very beneficial for sore eyes, for bloodshot eyes, for dry eyes. And this can also be used for glaucoma. It's a half a teaspoon of golden seal and a half a teaspoon of eyebright and 1 cup of boiling water. So you cool and strain. And then you can wash your eyes with a little eye wash, you know, the little eye bath. You can wash your eyes with that a couple of times a day. I've had guests come to our program with dry eyes and some people with weepy eyes. They're always wiping their eyes, and they have found that this tea has helped them. The health food shop should sell it. A herb, it's a root. So eyebright are leaves, and that's a root. Usually you buy it in a powder form. If anyone's travelling, maybe they just bring some golden seal back with them. You can get it in America. It's a very powerful herb. It's called King of Tonics to all mucous membranes, and your eyes are a mucous membrane. Eyebright is a leaf. You buy it from a herb shop. In some health food shops, they actually have eyebright and golden seal drops. I've seen that. But eyebright herb is a specific for all eye problems.
Barbara O'Neill is right. Studies revealed that eyebright tincture wash may help treat cataracts. Further research published by the National Library of Medicine revealed that eyebright is a medicinal plant traditionally used in Europe for the treatment of various health disorders, especially as an eye wash to treat eye ailments such as conjunctivitis and blepharitis that can be associated with bacterial infections. However, that's not all. The roots and rhizomes of golden seal have documented antimicrobial properties and are used in herbal medicine to treat inflammation, while its leaf extracts have been shown to possess antimicrobial activity.
Eyes, cataracts, and there is a way that you can get rid of cataracts, and that is 1 drop of castor oil wiped over the eyelid. It'll go through the lashes. The castor oil will penetrate in through the eyelid and also into the eye through the lashes. Castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil, and wherever it penetrates, it breaks up unnatural formations, which a cataract is. I've had several people get back to me and testify that their cataracts are going by doing the castor oil. Usually you would do it twice a day. Glaucoma can also be benefited by the castor oil on the eye. One lady said that she read on the internet that it's not safe. Well, that's ridiculous. It's incredibly safe. Castor oil's very, very safe. It never harms, it never hurts. If the person is almost blind from cataracts, yeah, have the surgery. But if it was me, I'd probably do the castor oil for a month or 2 and see if that helps. Are you familiar with the castor oil plant? It grows very freely in a lot of the Fijian islands. And I know in Jamaica, I met a few people from Jamaica when I worked in the Bronx, and they make their own castor oil from the castor oil plant. The castor oil we buy is clear. The castor oil that they make in Jamaica is dark brown. But it will all do it. The same thing will do it.
Barbara O'Neill is right. Castor oil, derived from seeds of the castor bean plant, can be used to treat dry eyes, floaters, cataracts, poor vision, and glaucoma. Further research published in Clinical and Experimental Optometry revealed that castor oil remains on the ocular surface for an extended period, facilitating increased tear film, lipid layer thickness, stability, and improved ocular surface staining.
Now, what about glaucoma and cataracts? Do you know that they are all diseases of the Western world? And it's purely reflected on the diet that people are eating. So what should we be eating? We should be eating a diet that's high in fibre. So all plant foods have fibre. So your plant-based diet's fibre. Generous amounts of protein, because every membrane around every cell is 50% protein. And you saw in my DNA lecture, the body needs amino acids to build new cells. So we need protein. And the best protein, the cleanest burning fuel protein, is legumes and nuts and seeds. So legumes, that's lima beans, black-eyed beans, cannellini beans, chickpeas, lentils, soy. Soy is only a problem if it's been genetically modified. Nuts can be overdone, so 10 a meal, and seeds. So seeds, probably about 1/4 cup per meal. The 3 essential food groups are fibre, protein, and fats. So the best fats are your nuts, your seeds, and coconut oil and olive oil. Avocado's fine. Avocado's another great fat. So they're your 3 essential food groups. Your fibre, there's your vegetables, or all your plant, your fruits, proteins, and your healthy fats. They will give your eyes all the nutrients that they need. Because of a high acid diet that many people are living today, with a lot of sugars, a lot of caffeines, a lot of starches, cereals, breads, the body releases calcium phosphate to neutralize the acidity. And that calcium phosphate can build up as crystals in the kidneys, in the gallbladder, on the eyes, cataracts.
Dr. O'Neill is right. Our diets also play a crucial role in the recovery of our eyes. According to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, the mineral zinc in legumes helps keep the retina healthy and may also protect your eyes from the damaging effects of light exposure. But that's not all. Further research on healthy fats like virgin olive oil, published by the National Library of Medicine, reveals that the rational use of ACE oil-enriched diets can offer a novel retinoprotective strategy to neutralize AH-related retinal oxidative damage and associated pathologies, including AMD, hypertensive retinopathy, glaucoma, and other retinopathies.
When you give the eyes the right conditions, they have the ability to heal. Eyes need you to be well hydrated. Eyes need you to sleep for 8 hours a night, ideally starting at about 9 o'clock. Eyes also need you to reduce your technology time. That's one of the biggest eye weaknesses. The cells in the eye need nutrition, so that's high fibre, lots of fruits and vegetables. Protein, there's your legumes, your nuts, your seeds. And great fats, because the membrane around every cell in the body is 50% fat. Your best fats are your avocado, your nuts, your seeds, and also a little coconut oil or olive oil. Eyes, when given the right conditions, can begin to heal.
Now that you're aware of the natural remedies to lower cataracts and glaucoma formations, comment on the eye healing secrets you would like to try. However, if you experience any allergies or reactions, be sure to consult a healthcare professional to ensure these natural products are safe for you. If you found this video helpful, please support us by subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bell for more valuable content. We'll see you in the next one.